Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to create a serializer for our server app. So let's just close the models and let's create a new file here in the server. Of course, call it serializers.py. And yep, so let's start by importing from REST framework. Oops. From REST framework, let's import serializers. And let's import from server.models. Let's import server. Server category, and then category, and test channels, and yep. Okay. So let's start in the same order here that we just created these models. Let's start with server category. So class server category serializer model serializer. Stem model serializer class meta model will be server category, and then fields, we need all the fields, so underscore all underscore. Okay, the next one will be test channels. Okay, just go, just go here, class server test channels serializer. It's like a big name, but so serializer model serializer. Okay, same thing. Class meta model b test channels and fields underscore all underscore. Okay, so we got the test channel serializer. So now we need the category. So server, I will put channel so you understand what I mean by the category. I'm not talking about the category. The category is here. I'm talking about the channel category. So channel categories, just put it like that. Serializers, that model serializer. Okay. So now here, let's create a new field. So this field will be test channels, will be server test channel serializer, same here. And then here we're gonna add many to this server test channel serializer. Many to because it's a many to many field. And then here require will be, because remember that inside category we have like test channels that is a many to many field. So what are we doing? We are basically making this field not required here. Why are we doing that? So when we're going, let's say we're going making a request, a post to create a new server, a new like a seller channel category. We just have the title. We don't have a test channel because it's a new category. We don't have like channels. And if you go to the admin and you try to create a new category, it won't let you because you need to create a new test channel because it's a many to many field this one. So by doing this, we are like skipping like having a test channel. That's why we mark it here like required false. You'll say like, oh, but what happens if I mark it here require false? Alan, Django doesn't allow you to do that. And also, for when the for the submission of or the request for creating a new one, it won't let you do it. So this is a way to basically solve the problem. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So now class meta, and in here model the category, remember, and fields uh, underscore all underscore. So when we put a field here, we override the field that we're importing here. Okay, we got this. Now we can jump to the server serializer. The server serializer will be serializers that model serializer. Okay. So here we're going to, this is very interesting. So now we're going to use you remember the serializer that we're creating in Outfit here in the Alf app. We can reuse that one. We can reuse this one. So we also get the profile serializer. That's one of the advantages that you can reuse the serializer from app to app. So let's import. What is this? Oh, I don't know what is that, but so from output that serializer, let's import user serializer. That this is the one that we're gonna use here. So we just copy this one and we paste it here. So here, let's put read only. So we don't make like any changes here. So read only true. So now members, remember that we have members. So we use the same serializer, user serializer. And remember it's a many field. So we put many equals to. And remember what we did here with the require false, same thing. Require. Is it doing that? Require false. Okay. So you have members and then moderators. So let's just copy this one. Let's put moderators. You have moderators, and also you have, let's just close this. Here you have categories. So here, categories will be server channel categories. Of course, you guessed it. So we just copy the serializer here. And we put remember it's a many field. So many equals to, and same thing. Require false. Okay, so we have left server category. So here we put server category will be equal to server category serializer. We can just copy this one, paste it here. Require will be false, just like that. Now class meta, the model will be server. Fields, you guessed it, underscore all. And we're going to add another one here. So we're going to create a new serializer. That's for the server serializer. Let's create a new one. So this one will be server detail serializer. We're going to use this one when we basically click on the server, because with this one we'll be able to create servers and all of that. But with this one, we're going to be able to check just the data, the description of the server, the members, etc., all of that. So server detail serializer stands for serializer that model serializer. So so let's just copy user and members, because this will be the only one that we're going to display. User and members, and this one, let's just make it many through, just like that. And yeah, user serializer, we can just delete that one. So we have the, yeah, and now here class meta will be model server fields underscore all underscore. And another very interesting, depth will be equals to like a level 2 of depth, so we can access to the property of profile here and here too, for the user and for the members. You'll see that in action, so you understand what I mean by that. And so yeah, I think we got all the serializers that we need. Let's just save that. So in the next video, we're going to what is this importing here? I don't, seriously. Just save that. So in the next video, we're going to start working with the API or the views for these serializers and the models that we just created. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.